the first 30s where they want to enter you, they will call the advise you like say they won't marry you tomorrow. Make you take your life serious. You look like a wife material. Nah, lie, nothing wife material about you to them. Nothing. You know who enter Kampala? Talk much of Hollandia. Hollandis, I mean. You know enter Kampala. You know that rapper that they call Kampala. You know enter the Kampala. Talk much of Hollandis. No Hollandis now that they marry for us. Not be Accra or Kampala. Accra and Kampala now for just to sew clothes. So that one might be the girlfriend. That girlfriend material you be. You are not a wife material. See, boys like girls will go ask them for nails, ask them for eyelash, ask them for to shave their total hair. But girl will go ask them for this. See, one thing about Nigeria or Africa men be say they like being the head. See, they like being the head. If you ever try to play the good girl, I want to assist my man. See, that setting will go on your head. Oh, I'm seeing our features together, so I want to assist. You don't have money, nigga. You don't. You man was you who dash you money. You don't. Yes, you want to assist him. Yes, assist him with prayer. Assist him, baby. Try more, baby. Work hard. Yes, that is the only assistance you have to render to a boy. If you even want like make you go thief, yes, go and thief, baby. Go and thief and bring the money to me. See, don't ever fall victim again, no. You see, all those, you go marry me tomorrow, make I do one. Ooh. You know the music where you go take they cry your heartbreak. Not be Billie Eilish because Billie Eilish you not go they understand the English. So you go use your Malay. So take my pain away. So not go grip pick your call. True to God. So not go pick your call to take your pain away. So we not do it. Please, ma tell you one thing. I learned most of the things where I learned today on social media. Social media doesn't only teach bad side, it teach good side. You get this Pastor Dawani Lawa. I don't even know the way I want to pronounce his name. David Lawa been one young pastor like that. It talk about the way he broke up with one girl. The video just come FYP. Jesus. Before anybody serve you breakfast, make I tell you, they emotionally do they detach. Comment they know vous see sometimes you see the boy will go tell you he doesn't like PDA, he doesn't like display of affection, he is shy, he's sad, he's shy. My sister, that is sign number one. Sign number one. You are actually gluing. When I thought I they glue, this is a joke before. They play. See my knees. See my hand. Shaysia. Fresh from the oven. The oven fresh from. What is PDA? Huh? This modern what? You they ask what is PDA and you carry phone. They is throw person away big pass you. They ask what is PDA. Nigga, you dirty talk. Church for y'all go your church back. Put PDA. You see the. Huh? You oh my God. My head up boss. So I'm not saying Cash App is a bad person. No. I'm not a criticize him to be bad person. He is not broke. Cash App is not a broke boy. Honestly, Cash App is not a broke boy. Just listen to what they talk. May you not go the reason I say, oh, Yellowfish talking about so no. I'm talking about tranquility of human life, the transparency. Like I'm relating to Ototo to my own, and I just summarize the little things where if you pick up from there. Relationship is 50-50, but don't overplay your boundaries. Don't overplay your boundaries. Me, I not be broke girl. So now if I'm going to any relationship, I don't want broke boy again. I don't want reason with me. If I not get today, I go get on tomorrow. I want love is sweet. Oh, when money enter, love is sweeter. That type of love now I want. See, in your 20s, in your 30s, make the rifle use of it. Oh. And if you want fall in love with person where let me tell you, if you want to marry or if you want to look for a partner, go for someone that love you more than you love the person. That way the relationship go feel last. The marriage go feel last, because why? Anything you do, the other person go tolerate them. But if you know the person not to love you, might just say a relationship can work if they get like this type of love for you, this kind of inches. They get like this type of inches of love for you, the relationship can work. But you don't need that type of inches. You need something very strong like this, very long like a prick type of love to make relationship work, guy. You need that type of this thing. Not let only the prick way they collect blind you, because some girls, the way they say they focus, our brain go don't come out. They will grant all our brain, grant everything, pack all the sense where they the front. They'll kind of go the medulla. Instead of move, they use our cerebrum till they think. They use the medulla oblongata where nothing does they inside. They use until they think. Use this cerebrum. What to do your cerebrum? What to do your we come out the brain. Say, you they see the signs, make I not lie. Allah, you they see the sign. You are the one ensuring yourself. It will change. It will change. It will change. Now just your